to Lives of Style. I'm Jill Stewart, and this is Spring 2015.
Jill Stewart traveled the world to bring freshness to spring-summer 2015. What was your inspiration?
The girl this season is the international girl. She's sunny, she's confident, she's sexy. We were thinking of the girl's golden skin, and we wanted it to be sunny and muted, beautiful colors. We used a lot of mixing of stripes, which was really fun. A lot of fil coupe, a lot of jacquards. It's a very relaxed collection. It's very casual. It's very carefree. I think about the girl who loves to wear Jill Stewart. I think about what I would want to wear and what my girl would want to wear. It's a fun collection.